Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase market insights with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To increase your market insights with Fidelity, first, create a Fidelity account if you haven't done so already. Once your account is set up, log in to access the platform. Navigate to the research section to explore a wealth of information on various investment options. Utilize the market research tools available, such as screeners for stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Leverage the news feeds to stay updated on market trends and economic indicators. Examine analyst ratings and reports to gauge expert opinions on different securities. Use the Market Insights tab to gather insights curated by Fidelity's research team. Explore the educational resources offered, including articles, webinars, and tutorials. Engage with the Fidelity community through forums or discussion boards to exchange perspectives with other investors. Monitor your investments regularly by setting up customized alerts for price changes and news updates. Utilize Fidelity's mobile app for on-the-go access to your portfolio and market insights. Consider the use of advanced charts and analysis tools to perform technical analysis. Review historical performance data to understand trends and make informed decisions. Use the Institutional Insights section for deeper analysis, if applicable based on your account type. Regularly revisit your investment strategy and market insights, adjusting your approach as necessary. Finally, take advantage of Fidelity's customer support for any questions or assistance needed along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.